The score is 6-3. Lamang ng mga Habibis.
Sayang, di nakulat.
Basket's good.
Ngayon pa lang pinlay, wala pa lang kumukuha. Ulit.
Iniiwan si Antetokounmpo, nagdadala ng bola. Dribbling, got back, finds the screen. Pinasa, Jason, line pass to the Brazilian wax. Inisip, no good. Ay, nako. Out of bounds, bola ng mga Habibis. Foul on the play. Hindi po nakakapag-score. Nasa tatlo pa rin. Trey buckets for 3. Short. Antetokounmpo after transition. Passing to Jason. Basket's good. Rebound by Papa P. Pinasa. May screen. Passes. Crossword pass. Short. Wala pa pong score. Ang kabila ay nakako sa press. Ball is good. Pinasa. Ooh. Rebound by Rex. Pulls up for 3. Short. Own rebound. Nice pass to Jason. The score is 10-3. 10-5. Mas ko pala sa score. 10-5. 10-5. 5-point lead ng mga Habibis. Titira. Basket's good. Nothing but net. 7-10. Intercepted. Ayan na po. Alright, hesitation. Pinasa sa gitna. Ed. Flanking. Pinasa kay Jason Bourne. Short. Number. Jason Bourne. And we are still at 10-5. Change court in 1 minute. Jason, 2 points. Another Jason, 12-5. 7-point lead for the Habibis. Jason Statham. Jason Bourne and Jason Tracy Mark with move to the drive. May foul na kasama.
Score?
12-7. Habol tayo. Gilas Pilipinas. Ayan. Another shot. Counts it. That's good. 12-9 in favor of the Habibis. 12-9. Number 44, dribble drive. Splits the D. Muntik na. What a move. Tumira ng tres. Wala. And with the rebound, strong sa basket, may kasama mag-foul. May foul sa loob. Nanungkol si Ed. Alright. Basket resumes. Trey thinking about it. Defended by the Brazilian blacks. Pulls up. No good. Nice score 11-12.
Isa na lang po ang kalamangan ng mga Habibis. 11-12. No good. Rebound by Papa P. Pinasa, the Brazilian wax, short. And here comes
Gilas Pilipinas, Jason Short. Wala ko talaga. Inasa, Trey Buckets, easy two. No good. Rebound by Jason.
Jason Mastrati. Pinasa, pulls up, short. Rebound by the wax. Muntika na.
Still a 1-point game. Jason, binaliba, wala. Jason ulit. Ibaba. Alright. Nice defensive move by the other Jason. Same ball. The score is 11-12. Hindi po laban mga pare. Kung pong mga pwede pong i-Gcash. Sure. Salamat po sa mga donate ng Gcash. Ganda po ng laban.
Papa P. Moving, pinasa ka Jason. Pull up, no good. Ball's loose. Nakuha na kabila.
Behind the back, thinking about passing all the way. Ang ganda. Change lead. Score is 13-12. Up by one. Same court, same court.
Left side is up by one. 13-12. Thinking about a shot, pinasa kay Jason. Tumira, air ball. Wala pa din. Rebound by Ed, pinasa kay Trey Buckets.
Trey Buckets. Trey Buckets. Thinking about three. No good. Recovered.
Intercepted. And po, on the move. Papa P, strong move to the basket. Yolo Pascual.
It's a 14-13. Nag-lead na naman ang mga Habibis. Meron na tayo 7 minutes sa laro ito. Trey Buckets, nothing but net. Galing.
Substitution. May substitution po. Last play. Ha? Papatapo ng tubig. Up by one. Up by one ang mga Habibis.
Dito?
One shot here. 1 point. 15, sorry, 15. I say 14, 15. Up by one. Alright, guys. Passes to Rio, thinking about a long three. Tamira, no good. Rebound.
And here goes. Gilas Pilipinas. Pinasa. Fakes. What a pass to Ed.
Lead is 3 points. Tumabo na po ang mga Habibi. Napako na po mga Habibi. The Brazilian wax for 3. Slides. Hindi pumasok. Umakalat po.
Yame. No good. Rebound by Jason Jacob. May tama na bola. Driving.
Strong move to the basket. 1-point lead.
By Jason Jacob. 16-17. Ball is good. Call the ball. Ball is good. 16-17. Trey buckets for 3. 2016. Apat na po ang katamaan. With 4 minutes remaining.
Jason. No good.
Score is 2016. Basket's good. Good. 22-16.
All good. Score is 22-16. 6-point lead. Twenty-two, 16. Are you driving, thinking driving? Good shot. Umalo.
Trey buckets. Solid pass to Jason Ward. Stolen. Good defense.
Ali looking for a three-point shooter. Di nakita. We are still at 22-16. There is a foul.
Track ball.
Ball.
22-16. You're now for our last 2 minutes. Brought to you by View Divisible, our sponsor for this game. No good.
Antetokounmpo with a rebound. Thinking about it. Oh, almost there. Recovered.
Wrong pass. Jason, wala.
Recovered. You're still top 22-16. For 3. Short. Out of bounds. Bola ng Habibis.
Alright, ball is live. Pass to Mark. Nessa. He's ball. No foul call. No foul call. No good.
6-point lead. Find your shooters. Ayan. Pinasa. Brazil wax fakes. For 3. Makes it. Making it a 3-point game. May chance na po na with 1 minute left.
Out the basket. Yay! Back to 5 points on the command.
This game is very, very exciting, guys. It's very, very exciting. Mafi second half with 3. Almost. A heat check.
Number 40. Pinasa sa Ed. Pinasa kay Jason. Pinasa sa Ward. Wala. Five-point lead. Five-point lead. 22-17.
time left. Oras.
Nice.
All right, 7 points. Let's give it 5 more minutes extension.
Para makahabol ang kabila. Gusto mo kasi sila makahabol? 5 minuto. And in the Kupo with a drive. Good. Brazilian wax! Wala pa rin.
Ito pa rin ang kalaman, 7 lead. Back to the pass to Jason. Hang time. And now the lead has ballooned to 9 points.
26-17. Erickson with a 3. No good.
26-17. Three-point shot. No good. Rebound.
4 minutes
4
pa.
minutes to go. Hanggang labasan. Pull up. Short. Still a 9-point game. 26-17.
And the Kupo changes direction. Almost a shot.
Passes to Jason. Jason. Pinasa sa kalaban.
Outlet pass to the Brazilian wax. Easy 2. 5-point lead.
Sorry, 7-point lead. 26-21. 26-19. 7-point lead. Pull up. No good. Twenty-eight, 19, 9-point game.
The second last 2 minutes, pagod na po ang mga players. Dahil dyan,
Uy, na.
nice pass. 28 for 31. Basket's good. 3 points for Erickson.
Two minutes. No good.
Pull up 3. No good. Rebound by Jason. Basket's good. Easy 2. Mahabol.
Tatlo na lang ata. 4 points, 4
It's
points.
a 4-point lead. It's 4. Ah, 6-point lead.
Last 1 minute. Tira ng 3. Own rebound.
One more.
We'll try for 3. Almost. Apat ang kalamangan. 4-point lead.
In favor of the Tabinis. Trey Buckets. He's gonna float it. Basket's good. Balik sa akin. Last possession.
Passing to the Brazilian wax. Game over.